We're somewhere here in Australia and we've been given some intelligence on some caves, location of some very old ancient caves, full of some of the most remarkable ancient art, possibly in the world. Some of the most amazing wall paintings ever discovered by humans. Got a bit of an idea where they are. It's going to be a hard trek. The ground's like, there's like a 725 metre incline, and we'll be going down into a river valley, ancient river valley with sandstone being the predominant stone. Most of these caves are sandstone, which is a little different in that area, because a lot of the other stuff's kind of volcanic, other types of rock. That little section there's a little sandstone pocket where these beautiful caves have been carved. Now we're talking caves that are approximately 30 to 40 feet in width,
Wow.
and 20 foot high. Big stone pillars. There's another one that's one was a birthing cave and the other one's a burial cave.
So we're just hiking out, hoping we can find them off the intel.
Yeah. Highly secret. Only a handful of people in the world would know about these. One of the caves actually had skeletons removed in the 1970s.
Yeah, that's cool.
So we're going to be highly respectful, so we won't be telling anyone else these secrets. Just for our own knowledge. So, yeah, that's it. Yeah, I've got to just move some stuff out the back of this. Sorry, guys. Broke them. Just went, oh, what's in this box? Rip. And it got squished behind my seat.
Yeah.
And just broke it. Fucking idiots.
Yeah.
He's acting all cryptic. See, he might have, after my discussion, you're recording this?
Oh, yeah.
There's rubble right there. I think that's basically what I'm in the right direction. I'm not just doing it instinctively. I think it's this way. See, there could be a cave on the other side there. What do you guys think? Does it look like there's a cave on the other side?
We check the map to see where you are. I'm sorry.
The map doesn't show whether there's a cave or not.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
I mean, it could be spotted visually. I don't think I can see an entrance there anyway.
No.
I'll just want to walk.
We're close already. That's good. Not too far.
Maybe. It could even be in here. This is the thing, it could be in any one of these vicinities. And keep on going. And, but see, I'm thinking we're starting to go down. It'd be good if we can go on the other side of that ravine and go that way. But that seems to wind its way along there, doesn't it?
Mm.
So just keep on following that.
Yeah, see how we're getting back into where
Mm. Oh, yep, yep.
river. We can find one of these ravines back up,
Yeah, true.
and then it looks like a few different.
Let's see how we go, eh? People have obviously been walking down here.
Cool rock.
Are you further down? I found the area, but it wasn't there. But I think we're in the right vicinity. Yeah, because look there.
Mm.
I did break. This is a bit of a cliff. You okay?
Mm. Scooby, the cave dwelling hermit. Yeah, it's a nice little spot.
Yeah, I think there's along this whole ridge line there's places like this.
Yeah, yeah, for sure. Yeah, like there's a little inlet in there.
But one we once got paintings all through it.
Yep.
It's way bigger. One's a 10-foot figure painted, Scooby.
Yeah.
Gives you an idea of the size of the cave. But I just checked all the ridge lines like this around there. Really promising, but not. So I need a breather. I'm gonna break. What do you reckon?
Yeah, man. That's where gold would get trapped in these rocks. Gold nuggets. Gold nuggets.
You want to take these, dude?
What is it?
Take just some camembert. And then we keep on going down.
Yep.
But we'll find it. I think the second one's not as hard. He said it's just in the river. You want a biscuit, Dan? Oh, it's both are good. It's reached out for the ground. The marvels of nature.
From all the way
Something
out
like
there.
that could just. If there's any torture, I could pluck it and get a tune. Boing, 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 boing.
Yeah, it's cool.
Login photos.
Mm.
Huh? Wow. These aren't the cliffs. These aren't the caves.
No. There's like waterfalls back that way.
Might be where we have to go. Yeah, there's a fire going on in here. Oh, it's definitely within this cave. Yeah, you can see they've had a fire going right here. And up there too. Just in there, see that round spot? That's caused by having a fire in here, man. It starts to make the rock flake away. like a buta, in a massive hole in the wall.
Wow.
It looked at me and went, fuck off.
Oh.
I thought I was in the middle of football. Any paintings, Stu?
There's no paintings though.
Mustn't be the one. Damn. Treacherous is all shit, so easy to fall and break your neck.
Oh yeah.
This wasn't the one I was in the other day. It looks so similar. There is a massive cave up there. It was worth investigating.
Don't think it's there.
There's definitely a habitable cave. See how it's had fires in it? That's caused by fire. See that?
Yeah.
And it floats the stone flake. It's in the ceiling from where the fire was. Starts to flake off.
No, it's marble.
Yeah, that's what it's this stuff. Yeah, look. We're over here. Oh, there's a big can.
Oh yeah.
I shouldn't do that. But it was going to happen anyway. Wow, who knows what's in this mud? Graves. It looks like mushy old deathville, like something's been buried here. Over and over. I don't know. The ground seems all mushy. See if there's any markers on the wall. See these holes? One of the holes over there before had a lizard in it. The big one. No paintings. There's signs of habitation here. Place where you can see there was a major fire coming up and hitting the ceiling over there. And it makes the wood, the rock chip away. But no sign of any art in this cave. So you can definitely tell that people have been living in it. And it would have been a really nice place to live because the hills are in here. You've got everything you need. Fresh water's just there. And there's just love. Beautiful part of certain part of the world. Left in time. Let's see, we'll keep on trekking west and see if we can hit the next ravine and hopefully stay at about this level on the hill. Maybe we can see this kind of stone is developing. we'll keep on following it around to the next ravine, and hopefully there we'll find the caves that are a bit more elaborate than this one, have big pillars and stuff, and different sections, and also has art in it. So hopefully that's what we'll find next. But so far so good. We found this massive cave. I didn't even know this cave existed. This is one that we didn't expect to find. How did you get in there? You'd have to abseil down, wouldn't you?
Climb all that stuff.
We'd have to abseil. Do you know anyone with abseil gear? Oh mate, I gotta get a photo of that. That's exquisite. That's just fucking amazing. Imagine the amount of water that came through here to carve all this out over so much time.
Definitely.
Holy fuck, man! It must have been just a torrent. Like how much rain fills up this thing? It's got to take a lot of water to fill this place up, hasn't it?
Mm.
Have you ever tried 0.5 on your phone? That's not good.
Oh yeah.
Oh wow, man, that is just fucking nuts. This place is crazy. Oh, what a magic spot.
Yeah, it's really.
Yeah, I wonder what's up behind that waterfall. The back one.
I think it's a rock.
So it looks like it goes into a cave behind the waterfall, doesn't it?
Like tiny, but no.
That could be the tunnel to Hyboria. Scary.
You can go to Hyboria and
Yeah, you could do it. I'd just wade through there and climb up either side. Need some Crocs on or something.
Do you bring your rope with you?
No. No, that would be too dangerous if we end up
You'd have to
abseiling.
abseil down into there, wouldn't you?
You could climb up if you just walk along the bottom of the creek and then
Yeah, but it's probably really slippery along the edge.
push off the edges, wall shuffle.
I fucking have to.
I have abseiled.
Yeah, I used to work out there.
Yeah, right. Have you gone front ways? Done front ways? You have? You've done it?
Yeah. Yeah, I used to work at what is it? Susan River Homestead in Ho Bay. They got like a fucking tower there.
Right, okay. Because I did it once off of a 120 foot cliff.
Yeah.
Front ways. We had to go down like. That was fun.
we used to take ex-prisoners out, like to places like this. And,
So that's pretty amazing. Well, I don't know how I missed that big cliff. But that was on the ravine.
because it was
Off the ravine off the left. So I've done this one, man, and there was no caves.
We'll go down here.
Let's go down here then.
So that's the other thing he said, like it's easy to do. Yeah. And the ones that we found, like,
It was easy to do.
yeah, like really easy.
Well, here there's so many others around. Haven't really been discovered yet. Oh, it's nice having a nice easy walk, isn't it? Just down there in the rock. Have a look at the map, baby. How you guys feeling?
Yeah.
Feeling good?
Yeah.
Oh no, I'm not tired. It's only 1 o'clock. I think we're doing well. Better than I expected.
Some people wouldn't have made this far.
Bikers. My wife could be a soccer. She's the worst. She's like, Mosquito looked at me. Alright, there we are. God, we're right in the vicinity where he said it was. So it must be around here to the left a bit to the right maybe. And then we'll go down to the river from there. This is exactly where he said on the map it was. And it could be hidden in behind shit like this.
Yeah. See, this is like a little bit of clearing. We're like 2 turns around.
Well, you want me to show you the photo of the cave? So it might give you some ideas.
Yeah.
I got the photos off Facebook. Alright. Have a look at these and tell me see if you can match it up with any terrain you see around this round. No, but we know where we're covered, man. I know we're not back here. We just want to check this area out, or otherwise we're going to be all walking ground we don't need to all walk. I was just thinking of the conservation of energy, that's all. But I'll go off this way and check this way so we can rule it out.
Yeah.
If you guys want to have a bit of a scope around here, that'd be great.
All right.
You look at real barbed wire.
What? Shit. Barbed wire. Yeah, I see it. Looks like a barbed wire fence. He's gonna follow him.
Yeah.
I knew it was going to be tough to find. That was a wild goose chase. Anyway, we can rule that out. Might as well keep on going.
Barbed wire fence there.
Watch the fence, man.
Must be private property, eh? Yeah? I thought it might have been a sign like someone saying piss off. Thank you. At least we can rule all that out.
Do you know where we are, man?
Yeah, mate.
No, good.
So yeah, the train, I don't think it's for us. Did someone go to high ground?
Nah, we didn't split up. We didn't split up, no.
I mean, should we do it now?
No, I think.
Because look at that. That's a pretty...
Oh, get on the high ground or follow the creek line. Is that what you're talking about?
Yeah, should one of us go up there and one of us go down? I don't mind going through there and bushbashing and down to you guys if I don't find anything, because I dragged you out in this hair-brained scheme, so I'll go up there, you guys go to the river, I'll meet you down there.
Yeah.
All right.
Is this going back to where we were before?
Yeah,
Well,
that goes all the way down to the middle of the river.
Oh, cool. Yep.
And we can talk to each other through the bush. Hello, Trippy, you hear me, Trippy?
So Simo has left us to follow the creek line, and he's taken off by himself up on the high ground there. He's going to meet us, make his way back down the mountain when he needs to. Scooby, you think Gavin would have enjoyed this walk?
Yeah. He's coming next time.
Simo's got us lost at the moment. Split up.
We found a cave. We've lost about similar John.
Yeah, me and Scooby are lost. We don't know where Simo is. So, yeah, sucks. Hopefully we find him. If not, we'll just follow the river. What are we?
We're lost. We might not make it out.
We haven't seen Simo for maybe half an hour. We're just going to follow this creek downstream until something pops up. We've got a 4-wheel drive track on the ground here anyway, so that should probably lead somewhere. Yeah, we're still keeping an eye out for caves and stuff. Still lost, we're just following this old 4-wheel drive track. And yeah, hopefully it leads somewhere. Hope Simo's alright, he's really worried. Yeah, well, hopefully this comes out somewhere. We get reception.
But yeah, I'm
We found Simo.
Any luck? Find any cake?
No, we were worried we were lost.
we're lost.
You didn't find any cake?
No.
I found
You-
about 6.
You know
Oh,
your
wow.
idea of splitting up.
Yeah, we shouldn't split up again.
It was a bad idea.
Yeah, we got fully lost, man.
It looked really promising back there a bit.
He doesn't care that
It's
we were
going to
lost.
take a while, I think, to find that fucking one.
Is this the way you got out last time, by following the 4-wheel drive tracks and then it comes out at the yoga retreat?
I found five caves. I photographed them all. At one point I had to go down this huge face and just hold on to trees as I did sliding.
What?
I told you. He's still looking for caves. He's
On my
not worried about getting out of here. He's looking for caves.
But you should see it. I've got about 5 big caves. Ones that you could actually go in and ones with the tunnel and everything.
I'll have to put the photos in the video,
But there were
yeah.
no fucking pictures.
Yeah.
They must only put the art in the real sacred places.
Yeah.
They're not just putting it up willy-nilly. You know, it's not like graffiti. I found 5 pretty good caves. None of them had any art in them. So they must only save the art for the real secret places. It's kind of clever, isn't it? Slippery little yards. I'm surprised there's not many Aboriginal artefacts around here, Scoops.
And usually you get like pretty poor fucking quality ones.
Look how steep it is.
Yeah, very steep.
There's a track on this side.
Oh, I see that track, yeah. Yeah, looks nice. Let me take the leaves, I'll just get that away.
That's the best place to cross, you reckon? Going up there a bit.
Yeah, Scooby's still making his way down. Good. Yeah.
Oh, right, old school.
Wow.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, you might not want this camera. Yeah, you might not want it to be found. You'll have to set these land.
We did a good effort though, guys. It was a really good effort. We gave it a good crack, eh?
Yeah.
Gave it a really good crack. We should be proud of ourselves.
Yeah.
We did find caves.
Yeah.
Scooby's cave.
Scooby's new home.
Yeah, you can claim that one, mate. Just fucking disappear. You know? You ever thought about doing that?
Well, sometimes.
Fucking, see you later, you fucking cunts. That's fucking me, mate. Oh, what the fuck is this? We want to go this one.
I thought about doing that for us. It's a bit fun script.
Well, it's an adventure, so
That was an adventure and a half, eh?
yeah, at least it was.
How's everyone feeling? I think getting the lift was the best thing. I had to do the walk back to Genzeri by myself last time. It was a fucking killer, you know, like. So I didn't get a lift. Getting that lift was so good because that's a killer at the end of that walk.
Oh yeah, I can't believe you did that. That's nuts.
You know, because you got to walk up that fucking.
You're a
hill.
legit bush explorer. So.
I love it, man. I'm so motivated to find those caves. You know, like I'm a bit disappointed. I'll have to come out again. I might have to come out again tomorrow and drop in and blow Graham's brain out with some fucking buds.
Oh, we're in similar leash.
Where the fuck are we? This place looks different at night time. Yeah, Graham, eh? What a fucking character. Awesome. Fancy we meet a character like Graham, eh?